Wahl's Cordless Magic Clip might be the Wahl's Cordless Magic Clip is the most powerful, sharp, and capable beard trimmer on the market. It gets the job done whether your beard is long or short, says fellow Barber founder Sam Buffer, citing the fact it comes with multiple but not too many guard options to get the length just right. He also told us the quality of a Wahl blade makes this trimmer the most bang for your buck. Compared to other models at similar prices, he also told us the quality of a Wahl blade makes this trimmer the most bang for your buck compared to other models at similar prices. As Wahl's blades stay sharper for longer, according to Buffer, Magic London's Woodsmith is another magic clip devote, praising it for its combination of lightness and power. These qualities make the cordless magic clip one of the best hair clippers too. He loves to use it on both himself at home and on his clients at work. It's the top product to own if you want to recreate a barbershop experience in the comfort of your home. He says a statement that was quoted by fashion stylist Neil Cohen, Miguel and Alejandro AJ Albano, a barber at Taft NYC. Podcast host Ronnie Pershala told us he also uses the Magic Clip on his beard. The Wahl Magic Clips is also available in a corded version. The Wahl Professional Cordless Magic Clips comes at $106 at Amazon and $120 at Sally Beauty. It's cordless. The battery life of Wahl's Professional Cordless Magic Clip is of 100 minutes. It has self-sharpening blades, weighs 16 ounces, 8 guard attach. It has 8 guard attachments and also available in a corded version. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities.